what's going on? I'm going to do a real quick video because I got to get back to work. Once again, yeah, it's another MCM reveal. I just got to stop. But y'all, I can't because I keep running across these good deals. MCM is taking all of my coins. And no stimmy because I haven't even got a stimmy yet. But it's taking all my little coins. Anyway, y'all. So, this particular item I got from NORDSTROM Rack. I tend to go on there every day just to see what they have or whatever. And this item right here popped up. So, I bought it. They also had this one in the color cognac and that gold or whatever, but it had already sold out. It was actually cheaper than the one I got. So anyway, let me stop talking and show y'all what I got real fast. Like I said, I gotta get back to work. Ta-da! And y'all, it's actually in all of the wrapping, so I was excited about that. And this, let me take it, let me scoot it back some so y'all can see. Y'all saw this, I was like, oh, this is so cute. Y'all, here we go. Oh, this is so cute. Super duper cute. And this is the Klara Visetos Hobo. And this is in the size medium. And it's actually the perfect size. Because that large, I had saw some reviews on the large, and it's just a little bit too big for me. But it's the MCM Klara Visetos Hobo medium bag. It retails for $6.50. And they had it for $354.97. And they actually had been having this bag. I'm trying to adjust the thing so y'all can see. They actually had been having this on the site for a couple of days. This, the wallet, and like another pouch or whatever, it just kept being on there, and I was like, they must got quite a bit of these in stock because it's continuing to be on the site. So let me show you guys that. So here is the front, and I looked for reviews on this particular color, and I haven't seen any unless I'm putting in the wrong thing in the search thing, but I haven't found any. But I've been seeing a lot of these bags up for resale on Mercari and Poshmark. So, yeah, I know how they go. People go on there and they buy all that stuff because it be on clearance and then be trying to sell it for an outrageous price. And it ticks me off because there are other people that do be wanting the bag and that's going to use the bag or whatever. They're not trying to get it just to resell for some extra coins or whatever. So, anyway, they just be making me mad. So, anyway, y'all, so here is, there's the little thingy, and it still has the little plastic stuff on there, and it's a pretty red color, super duper cute, and it's not too bright, and it does have a zip top. So I set up there unzipped it, as I'm telling y'all they got a zip top, but it does have the silver zipper. So you unzip that. Y'all, here's my dust bag. Y'all know I love me a dust bag. Oh, this inside is big. So here's the inside. And I still have my iPad mini. And it does fit in there. So if you have an iPad mini, it will fit. So there's that. So you have a zip compartment right here. Right there. And then here's your cord. And then if you flip it over, you have a bigger, well, not a bigger, but you have a pouch right here. And then you have a pocket on this side. Which it seemed like my phone wouldn't fit in there, but there's that. And it just has the black interior with the red. Let me take this off because it does come with 2 straps. So it has your crossbody strap right here that you can detach, which I'm more than positive that I will not be using this crossbody strap because to me this is too big of a bag to be having crossbody. It's just me. But yeah, so I'll be using it with this strap right here. So cute. And it has the MCM right here. Well, turn it this way, but that says MCM. Y'all, this is so freaking cute. Oh, this is so cute. Yep, I like this. This is a really nice bag. And then it has the little tassel thingies right there. And y'all, y'all know I have the wallet, because I haven't too long ago got the wallet. Let me get it for y'all real fast. Okay, y'all. So y'all know I had got this wallet not too long ago. Ugh. And it goes perfect with this bag. So here's the wallet. Y'all see that? Yep, y'all see it. Y'all see it. Match perfectly. So that is going to be super duper cute. So cute with that red, baby. Too cute. So yeah, y'all, I just want to show you guys that, because I thought that was a really great deal on this bag. And it's a really nice size. I like it. That is cute. I probably get me a well, now I don't have to get one, I already got one. Give me a cute little puff ball, either a black puff ball, or I may get a gray puff ball and sit on the side right here. That'll be really cute. But y'all, this is the cutest bag. And back in the day, I used to love me a hobo. I used to wear the mess out of hobo bags. So here lately, I've been seeing quite a few cute ones from like Coach. And then this MCM one or whatever. This one is super cute. But yeah, I just want to show you guys that. Oh, I didn't see this. Y'all, look at this on the strap. It has like a little stud. It's actually really pointed. You probably can't see it, but it has a point. Y'all, that is too cute. Okay, y'all gonna throw a little bling on there on the sister. And there's one on the other side. That is so cute. Here's the tag. Y'all, this is too freaking cute. And it is like huge in the inside. Plenty of room. Like I said, my iPad mini will fit in here. Then here's that wallet. You know, that will fit in there. I have a thing of wet ones. You know, that'll fit in there. I'm just throwing some little random stuff in there. But, y'all, it's a cute bag. Oh, that is so cute. I can't wait to carry this. Super duper cute. But yeah, y'all, just want to show you all this. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know. And I will get back with you guys later. Gotta go back to work. All right, bye.